Welcome back, guys. So today I have another FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I'm actually just going to show you guys what this season's box includes inside. I believe the last one I unboxed was back in the winter. I unboxed the winter box. So I was going to do the spring box as well, but that one actually sold out about a week ago. So today I have the Spring Editors Edition, which is available for all of the new subscribers. So if any of you guys want to get this box for the first time, this is what you would be getting. So I'm going to take you guys through, and from what I understand, the Editor's Edition has a lot of items that were super popular in previous boxes. And as you may know, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. So you don't get it every month. You get it once a season, so 4 times a year. It's a little bit of everything. It's a lifestyle box. So you do get like wellness items, you get beauty, a little bit of fashion. They're also full-size products. So you're not going to have like those little tiny baby samples just that accumulate and lay around that nobody uses, let's be honest. So the box itself does retail for $49.99, and you do get a ton of products that are valued at over $200. And as always, I do have a $10 off discount code for you guys. I will have it here on the screen and also down in the info box. So that would let you get the box for under 40 bucks, which I think is an amazing deal for everything that the box contains. Well, at least from what I've seen in the past. We're going to see what's in here right now. This is what you're going to see when you open up the box. You guys have already seen this before if you are not new to my channel, but you get a little note with a pamphlet of what's inside the box, and then you also get this one right here, which actually kind of looks like a newspaper. Don't mind the eyeliner swatch. I was playing around with new eyeliners. The first thing I see in here is a HelloFresh $50 off coupon for HelloFresh. I've actually tried HelloFresh in the past, and I really do like it. As you guys can see, it is packed with goodies. And the first thing that's calling my attention is actually this right here. This was in the winter box. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoli. And you guys, I am so happy that they included this because I actually had to give mine away last time, and I was so devastated because this thing is worth like $60 or $80. Let me double check. This exfoliator is $75, which is basically double the value, almost double the value of the entire box already. But I had to give mine away because I was pregnant at the time and I couldn't use these type of skincare products. So I'm so happy that they included it because I'm definitely going to be keeping it this time. I've heard nothing but amazing things about Kate Somerville and their skin products in general. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I know what this is. I also got this in my winter box. This is a coffee mug, I want to say. I knew it. It says, "I'd rather be in bed." Look how cute that is. I love the color too. So this is what I mean. You never really know what you're going to get in your FabFitFun. I love that they include things like coffee mugs because you guys know I love my coffee mugs. I would say I'm probably a little bit of a coffee mug collector, just a little bit. This is a body wash infused buffer. This one I've actually never seen. I don't think I've ever received this one. Let's see what it is. It says it rejuvenates and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. Huh. So this is what it looks like. It looks like, it almost feels like a little sponge. So I think that's what it is. I think it has like body wash built into it, and then you use it as a sponge in the shower. So that's really cool. I'm definitely going to try that out. This one catches my attention. I love eye masks, you guys. This is a cool little eye mask from Free People. This is going to come in handy because I have the night shift when it comes to watching Sebastian. Like I'll watch Sebastian all afternoon, all the way through the evening, and then I wake my husband up at like 5 or 6 in the morning and he takes over so I can take a little bit of a nap. And this is going to come in handy for that because I've been using my little pink fluffy one to like block out the sunlight so I can sleep in the morning. I feel something inside. I think there's like a gel pad inside. I see it. So you probably put this like in the fridge and then it cools your eyes off. This is gonna feel so good because not only am I sleep deprived, but it is allergy season and it is so bad. If you guys are from Texas, you know what I'm talking about. Like the pollen and cedar season are the worst in Texas. And I haven't even been outside and I'm dying from like the puppies coming in and out of the house. So the cooling gel is really gonna feel so good on my eyes. Oh, this is another one that's actually in my freezer right now. This is an ice pack and I don't have this color. I have it in the black color. I almost don't even want to open it. You know what? I'm going to keep it closed since I already have one. I'm going to give this one to my sister. So I actually use this whenever I have to pump on the road, and I put it in a little like cooler and I put my pumped milk in it so it keeps it cool until I get home. So yeah, you can definitely use this for so many other things, not just for like, you know, for your head if you have a headache or anything like that. Or it's also a hot pack. You can use it if you have like cramps. Next, it looks like there is something from Tarte. I love the packaging. It's pink with like gold foiled lips. Super cute. So I'm gonna guess that this is like some sort of palette, like eyeshadow palette. It's called, yeah, it's called Leave Your Mark, and let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like all really pretty like neutral colors with like really pretty shimmers in them. This looks like it's a hair mask. It's from the brand Briego. I've tried their leave-in conditioner, which I think I got in one of my past FabFitFun boxes, and I love it. It's like a milky conditioner you leave all over after you get out of the shower. It's really, really good. So I bet you this one is really good too. Ever since I bleached my hair last year, I don't know if you guys remember when I did the ombre, my hair has been like super dry. So I've been all about moisture. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be adding this. And I think this is the last thing in there. So this looks like it's a tote. Here is the bag. It's actually pretty cute. It's just like a really simple kind of rope material that would go really cute with wedges, I think, or like if you're going to the park or anything like that. You could put a lot of stuff in here, it looks like. Oh yeah, you could fit so much in here. So you guys can kind of get an idea what it looks like when it's filled up. So yeah, that is everything in this editor's edition. So if you guys are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, again, I will leave the link down below along with my $10 off discount code. I think it's an amazing box. You get a lot of value for what you pay. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.